Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you an unboxing video of this really super cute Diamond Art Club painting from Amazon. It is called Lovable Half Giant and it is Hagrid from Harry Potter. So, I currently have the baby strapped to me, taking a nap. Hopefully he doesn't wake up, but if he does, I'll just come back to it later like I did last time. But anyways, I'm so excited about this, and as always, the link will be down below, but let's just go ahead and open up this bad boy. We got our toolkit, and then if you order a Diamond Art Club, or if you purchase a Diamond Art Club from anywhere but diamondartclub.com, so like Hobby Lobby, Joann's, Amazon, they give you this warranty and insurance card so you can register it to get your warranty and insurance. Comes with a little sticker. I use these in like a little logbook, but I know some people like to put them on the box. We've got our toolkit, which this is my favorite part because I love to see the cover minder and washi tape. Oh gosh, okay. So we've got our wax, our pen grip, a tray. I think I already have this washi tape, but this is it. And then I use them on my kits, but then once the kit is done, I use them in my planner. We got a green pen this time, a bag of baggies, some extra tips, the stopper for the tray, and this cute little cover minder. It's a bunny with a strawberry. Cute. I don't have that one, so I'm excited. All right, throw all of that out of the way. And then we've got the kit with the drills, and that's the last thing in the box, so let's just go ahead and open it up. This one is a round, and it is 32 by 45 centimeters. So it's a nice smaller size, which I'm loving because I got a baby now. I'm trying to finish kits and not just work on the same one for like 6 months, so it means they have to be a little smaller. Let's see here, just straightening it out for you. Okay, so here's the canvas. So stinking cute. Got Rubius Hagrid and his pink umbrella. So stinking cute. I love it so much. So this one has 16 colors and it looks like one AB. So, and then the AB is going to be in the buttons here and then down in the umbrella, the tip of the umbrella and the little edges here. So, and I think that's the only spot that we've got ABs on this one. Cool. All right, so here is the, I don't know what they call this. Like, I don't know, but it's got all the stickers and labels. And then if you want to do your start and end date, you can do that. I cut this out and put it into my collectible sticker book and just have like a giant picture of the art in there. And then of course you've got your instructions, a thank you, and how to register for their online VIP Facebook group, which I just recently joined this and it's actually really, really cool. So I'd recommend doing that if you haven't. But let's go ahead and look at the drills. We've got, I love that they label it so nicely, Lovable Half Giant. And there's not too many colors in this one. Like I said, it's 16 with one AB, but let me just show you the AB here. So here's the AB, it's yellow, and again, just for those buttons and that umbrella right down here. So everything else is going to be kind of like muted. You've got some pinks, lots of browns, and then pink for the background, of course, which I love that they did a pink background for it. This darker pink, I'm pretty sure, is going to be the umbrella, but that is it. That is the Lovable Giant. Well, Lovable Half Giant. So very, very excited. I think I'm going to start this one next, if I'm being honest. Currently, I'm working on a parrot for Beach Life 23, hosted by Diamond Grandma and Diamond Painting with Sweet Tea. But when I'm done with that one, I think I'm going to jump onto this one because I just love it so much. But anyways, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're interested in wax and diamond painting videos, please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. This is the channel for you. And until next time.